Well, Gotham City's had a long history. We've been in business and e-commerce since 1999. We started in fashion and apparel, and we gradually evolved. In 2008, we acquired a poster business to get into the wall decor space, to today, manufacturer of licensed product with the ability for consumers to customize it. I mean, that was a long journey. And for us, we were following the customer, the consumer. What did they want to do? A lot of it was also driven by capabilities. 10 years ago, you couldn't do that.
So the direct-to-garment technology, or print on demand, is something that we really consider real-time manufacturing. As the orders come in, we are able to print that specific customer order immediately. And we do that by creating a label that's specific to the customer that then allows the customer to choose exactly the size and color and style combination, because we're not pre-printing it. If they prefer to have green versus blue, they want a slim cut versus a traditional cut, they have that flexibility as long as we have the blanks in our warehouse. As those orders come in, we're able to marry the image that the customer has chosen with the blank shirt, and that happens through this barcode label that is put on. As soon as the items are brought to the printer and scanned, the image is retrieved from our server and printed within seconds, very specific to that customer. So once a shirt is printed, it needs to be dried. Actually, next to us here is a BBC dryer that is a very efficient dryer. It cures the shirt so the ink is permanently bonded to the shirt. And then from there, it's ready to ship to the customer. The process that we use will involve scanning the barcode again at a shipping station. We carefully fold the shirt, it's placed in packaging and sealed up and labeled, and then it's shipped out.
Now the technology, being able to control the quality of the product with a lot of detail, be able to produce it efficiently and effectively with not a lot of waste, those are really important.
Choosing Epson to run our print operation was really a fantastic decision in retrospect, because it allowed us to scale up the business as we needed to. The Epson printer setup in a pod configuration allows us to do that and really scale up as we need to in peak season and when we have a surge in demand.
And then of course the cost of the ink and the equipment and the uptime of the equipment. You know, it's not constantly going down. We don't have the Epson repairman here all the time. That being said, it's nice having that support network. You know, having that point of contact, you know, and them controlling the quality from beginning to end, whether it's from the ink to the parts to the cleaning kits to all those pieces. It is nice to have that.
We were thrilled when they introduced the 2100, and when the F3070 series was launched, that was just the next generation in the technology that really blew our minds.
The fact that, you know, opening up the SDK, allowing us to really integrate and really control and tie our systems into controlling the equipment made a huge difference.
The advances that Epson's made to enable us to keep our business running. I know that the print heads, which we fortunately haven't had to replace, are user replaceable. We've been trained to do that, and in the unlikely event that one of them does fail or needs repair, we can do that ourselves, and we don't have to call a technician to assist with that, which means that we can stay operational longer and be more efficient, which is a mission critical aspect of this business.
We tend to take a fresh look at things, and we think we've come up with some unique solutions to deliver great product for our customers.